Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So basically, service sector is the kind of business activity that is supporting all kind of business activities. Okay, now we are going to see what this mean by service sector. Service sector means, as I already told you, it is the one of the kind of business activities that supports all other business activities.
Sir,
Yes,
sir,
yes,
it's being recorded, sir. The meeting is being recorded.
yes. Okay, okay. It was being recorded. Yes. So you see the business activities are broadly classified into three types. What are they? Primary, secondary, tertiary. What is my primary? From the nature, we are directly deriving the resources. For example, we are catching the fish from the ocean. We are harvesting the crops from the agricultural fields. We are extracting the ores from the mines. Likewise, agriculture, forestry, mining, fishery, these are all the kinds of business activities that is coming under the classification of primary activities. Okay, primary name implies what? This is the first kind of activity in the business process. In the business process, we have the various kind of business activities. This is the primary kind of activities. Primary activities, what are the examples? Agriculture, forestry, mining, fishing. Because in these kind of activities, we are directly deriving the raw materials as resources from the nature. It may be the harvesting of crops from the agricultural fields. It may be the catching of fish from the water, or it may be the extraction of ores and minerals from the mines, or it may be the extraction of forest-based products from the forestry. Like this, we can have the n number of activities that is coming under the primary activities. I hope you understand. If you have any doubts, you can ask me question. Shall I repeat this?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we got the raw materials from the primary activities. Okay. Tell me any example of raw material.
Raw material.
Like agricultural crops. Tell any crop. Like cotton. Okay.
Rice, wheat.
Rice, cotton. Okay. Or any kind of ores, or any kind of fishery products that we're getting from the ocean. So you have to understand, we got the raw materials from the primary activities. Now we have to convert these raw materials into finished goods or semi-finished goods through processing or assembly. Let me give you some example. For example, we are getting the cotton from the primary activity. Now we have to convert this cotton into yarn or garment. Yarn is the semi-finished good, or garment that we are wearing is the finished good. Okay. If
Yes,
you want to convert this raw material into semi-finished or finished goods, we have to process this raw material. Or for example, we have taken the minerals, for example, iron ore or any kind of metals from the mining.
yes.
Okay. So what we get as a raw material, this raw material has to be processed and assembled in order to get the giant magnificent machines. Yes or no? So this is called as
Yes.
secondary activities. Primary activities very, very simple, mark. Primary activities means the primary activities is the process of deriving the raw materials as resources from nature. Secondary activities very, very simple. We are converting these raw materials from my primary activities into semi-finished or finished goods. through processing or assembly. Okay, this sector is also called as manufacturing sector. Understand? We have the
Yes,
lot
sir.
of
Yes.
manufacturing industries. Yes or no? It may be
Yes,
the
sir.
car manufacturing industry, or thermal power station, or garment manufacturing industry. It may be any kind of manufacturing industry. So these all kind of activities that converts the raw materials from primary activity into the finished or semi-finished goods that we are using is called as secondary activity. Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, if you have any doubt, you please feel free to ask. Okay, always feel free to sit in the classroom as well as ask any doubts. Okay, even this session is open for any interaction if you want. So fine. So we can understand what is primary as well as secondary activities. Now, what is the
Okay.
tertiary activity? This tertiary activity is the nothing but the auxiliary to both primary as well as secondary. Auxiliary means what? It just helps both primary and secondary. How we can help? For example, we have to bring the raw materials from the place where it is extracted into the place where it is being processed or manufactured into finished or semi-finished goods. We need some transport. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. So after we doing the manufacturing, we have to sell it using some marketing strategy. So now we have some marketing team. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you see this transport or marketing, and after getting marketed, okay, it has to be sold through the proper trade network. Wholesale traders, from wholesale traders, they have to
Yes.
distribute it into the retail outlet shops. From retail outlet shops, you have to get it. So in this way, so these are all the activities that doesn't extracts raw materials from nature, and also doesn't produces any kind of finished or semi-finished goods. There is any production or extraction. Simply it helps the primary as well as secondary activities. That is called as tertiary activities. It is also called as service sector. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you see what are the different kind of service sector. Can you name any kind of service sector? Any kind of activity that is coming in the service sector?
Hotels,
A
transportation,
hotel, yes, good.
transportation,
No, no, no.
transportation.
Even hotel, they are processing the foods into semi-finished or finished goods.
No, sir, staying hotel.
Serving is the service, ma. Serving the food is service. But
Staying
the
hotel.
things for manufacturing.
Not eating hotels, sir, staying hotel.
Pardon?
Not eating hotels, staying hotel.
Oh, it's accommodation you are talking about. It's like a lodge or mansion, right? Okay. The mansion, yes, any other example.
And transportation, transport.
And transport is good example. Anything else? Even teaching is service or not? Are we extracting any
Yes,
raw
sir.
materials
Yes,
from the nature? No.
No,
Are
sir.
we producing
sir.
anything? No. Teaching.
No.
Doctors?
Teaching.
No.
Yes or no? Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Nurses?
Possible, sir.
Possible. Car company? Car manufacturing company?
Yes, sir.
No.
No.
Manufacturing company.
Okay. Car retail shop?
Yes, sir. Car?
Car retail shop, is it coming under the tertiary sector? Car
Yes.
retail shop.
Retail.
Sales.
Service, you mean?
Sales shop.
Ah,
Yes. Okay.
yes, sir.
So, from this you can understand what do we mean by service sector. Service sector means the sector that supports both primary as well as secondary activities. Okay. So now we are going to see the few important areas in the service sector. What are they? Why it's very important, service sector? Because today business, it became very complex and very sensitive. Business is not very simple today. Okay, the business became very complex. Complex means what? It involved too much process, and also it's very sensitive. Sensitive means the people are very sincere and devoted to this kind of business. Okay, so because the business became complex and sensitive, okay, we need some support for the service sector. Okay, so this support can only make any business successful. Okay, what are the few service sector? Transport. Transport means transporting of people or transporting of goods. Okay, and then
Yes.
warehousing. Warehousing means what?
Storage for
Storage,
before
good.
the goods to go.
Storage of goods.
Hmm.
Communication means what?
Like we are communicating.
Interaction.
Talking with
Okay,
talking.
interaction for the purpose of business. Postal. Banking. Insurance. BPO. So these are the important categories of service sector that we are going to study in detail, in very in-depth. Okay, so because of these services only, the business can conduct very smoothly. These kind of services can conduct the business very smoothly, and because of the services only, it facilitates the business activities and it improves the business. How it improves the business? It can facilitates the, it can fastens the effective functioning of the business. Okay, how the business can function? Without this, it is not possible. Without transport, without banking, without insurance, is it possible to run the business? No. So this kind of service sectors only facilitates the functioning of business. Is it possible to run the engine without the fuel? No.
No.
Sir.
The engine was run by what? Fuel. Likewise, the functioning of business activities can happen only by this service sector. Not only that, not only facilitates the functioning, and also these kind of service sectors can provide you the network across the world, so that you can rapidly as well as effectively expand your business activities throughout the world in the different countries. Understand?
Yes.
Many of the foreigners are expanding the business in your country. Many of the Indians are expanding the business in other countries. How it is possible? Because of these service sectors. Now this is the part. We have seen what is service sector and why it is very important, and what are different service sector. What are they? Transport, warehousing, communication, postal, banking, insurance, and BPO.
Communication.
These are the, not only this, there are n number of service sector activities. These are the few things that we are going to study, because these are very important activities in the service sector. Okay, is there any doubts, ma?
So BPO means?
So
BPO means business process outsourcing. We are outsourcing our business projects. For example, if you are getting the huge business project, we are dividing this business into small fragments and we are giving this as a contracts to some other countries or some other companies. Okay, after getting all the work done, okay, we are providing our service into our client. Understand?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, this is called as business process outsourcing. We are outsourcing our business.
Okay, what's postal, sir?
Postal, you don't know postal. It's like a courier.
Courier.
Posting.
Okay, that
Okay.
one. Okay.
Okay. So session is going to wind up. Okay, less than 1 minute. Okay, thank you for coming. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum salam.
Okay, we shall meet later. So listen 1 minute. If you have any questions, you can ask. Or you can post it in the WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, that's it.